How you doing, people? My name is Welcome. Today I am here to show you how to cook without a restaurant. Okay. See, what we do here, we need a stove, so we can start off with Chinese food. So first, I'm gonna show you how to cook the chicken flavor of noodles. It's so delicious. So we're gonna start here. Oh, hold on. I need to come, people. Come, y'all. So right now I'm cooking teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki. It's delicious. Yeah, there you go. Hold on. There you go. Oh, yeah. Gotta get that right there. Okay, leave that in here. Yeah. So we pop in some water. Ready for the stuff. So we're gonna use one ingredient right here. Yeah, so this text, if you want a sample, everybody, we're gonna get the sample. Like, sample right there. Now, I'll get the sample. How would you like the food? Delicious. How do you like it, dog? Stop. Was it delicious? No, don't drop it here. Okay, there you go. That's how I like my much better. So, my special ingredient, Tabasco. So, it makes the food so delicious. So, we put that in there, and I want to so what's the vegetable? No vegetables here? No. No, it's here. So, this is, so we're going to put here again. And yeah, we need to find the vegetables around here. There. This vegetable you got. We're going to put this vegetable. We take it on here. Put it here. We got secret vegetable. Cut this. You need a knife. That's what I want to cut the little one so I can make it very good. Okay, there you go. Okay. Now we got to get the little one. We got to cut this here. Okay. See that cooler, So I imagine myself cutting the vegetable so fast. There you go. You see that? I got the vegetable. Yeah. So that's all, people. That's how you cook the delicious food of Welcome. My name is Welcome. Thank you for being here, everybody. We got to go now. Got to go to Hong Kong. Okay? I do it all around. Sorry, people.
That's what I did, yeah.
You phải chặt cái quả.
That's what, yeah.
Let's go.
That's what did it, right?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, yeah. I know, yeah.
You buy cái tổng guitar.